On June 20th, 2024, Trooper Pascal spotted a stolen vehicle driven by Sarah E. Bates, who was on a suspended license and allegedly impaired. Bates accelerated away from a traffic stop, weaving past motorists and running a red light, reaching speeds of 113 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone.
Is that my car? Jones, dispatch. C-48 Jonesboro.
Go ahead.
Be attempting to go 1024 with that red Corvette.
10-4, go ahead.
Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Walnut Ridge with Adam William Robert 55 Sam.
10-4, Jonesboro C12, are you correct? Yeah, or it's going to be $10-19. Okay.
Roll the windows down.
Jonesboro Troop C, 1063 for C48.
48 Jonesboro, it's starting to take off.
10-4.
Run the red light here, Walnut Ridge taking off. It's 1037 northbound on 63.
10-4, 810, Jonesboro C4, you correct? 4, 10-4 to red. 10-4.
Stop the car.
C1 Jonesboro, 10-4, 10-4. 10-4. Ridge. Okay, I'm leaving off the zone. I'll try to keep that deal right here. They may.
Jonesboro, we're continuing northbound on 63 past 67.
10-4, northbound past 67. What's your speed and traffic?
Be 113 light traffic.
10-4.
Don't crash out. Pull the car over, girl. I doubt she's armed. I don't figure she is. I don't want to tear this little boy's car up. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car. TVI, we're in the ditch. Sarah, show me your hands. Sarah! Sarah Bates, I know who you are. Show me your hands. Jonesboro, I have one at gunpoint. Sarah! Sarah, shut the car off. Look at me. Sarah! Sarah Bates, look at me. Sarah! Shut the car off. 48, dispatch. 48 Jonesboro. We're going to be here on 63 near County Road 514, I believe. Sarah! Look at me. Show me your hands. Sarah! Show me your hands. '63 514 Road. Open the door and step out. Sarah, open the door and step out. Sarah, get over here now. You see what I'm holding? Listen to me. Get over here. Turn around. Get down on your knees. Face down on the ground. Lay down like an airplane. Arms out to your side. That was stupid.
Ow! God damn it!
What the heck is your problem? You're in a lot less trouble if you just pulled over. What the heck do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Get up. Get up. Listen to me. Look at me. You have the right to remain silent, Sarah. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint you an attorney at no cost to you. If you decide to answer questions at this time, you may do so. If at any point in time during question you'd like to stop and ask for an attorney present for any further questions or ask for answers, you may do that as well. Do you understand?
Trooper Pascal executed a pit, sending the vehicle into a ditch and then blocked it with his push bumper. Bates was taken into custody without further incident and charged with multiple offenses, including fleeing, reckless driving, DWI, and driving on a suspended license. On July 5, 2025, Trooper Daniel Thies joined a pursuit of a blue BMW SUV in Garland County. The suspect, later identified as Sean O'Brien, drove aggressively at high speeds, swerving across the road and repeatedly braking to avoid a pit.
South from Ira Williams. No traffic. Yeah, 10-4. Just try to close this gap. We'll give it space. I don't know why we're going to get around us. We went straight across in the wrong side. So you want to go ahead and give it to her? 2. I'll go out down to 50. You go right or left? We lean right. We lean right. We're inbound on square. I don't have reference now. We're past Lonsdale, still inbound on spring on page. To 13, as soon as you clear those houses, that's going to be your only shot before it turns to dirt. Block of spring, 7700 block. Block, still inbound. Here, both begin boxing in.
After multiple attempts, Trooper Thess successfully executed a pit, causing the SUV to roll over into a ditch. Deputies took O'Brien into custody and transported him to Garland County Detention Center.